Hello, today I will show you the guns package. So let's show you some combinations you can make. This is, for example, an energy gun. You can attach here energy cable and attach it to the mech or robot that you want. Or you can attach here a handle and it can be like this with a handle. Next one, let's say this is a rifle. Here you can attach, you can put the hand of the mech right here. Let's show you. Like this. Or you can put here the handle at the top. Or you can make another combination. Handle here and optics here. Okay. Here you have a lot of attachment points. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And you can make also different combinations. You can make attach two handles. It can be used with two handles. Or you can attach here an optics. And with the optics you can attach here like a cable that can go to the mech or robot. Okay, or cable you can attach here. So at the bottom you can put the ammo barrel. This one or this one. Or smaller one. Also, you can use the holder for two barrels. Like this. Let's see. One second. Different combinations. This is big machine gun, this is small machine gun, this is another energy rifle, here is sniper rifle, here is a gun that is from fighter jet, here is electromagnetic pulse gun, EMP, here are battery, here is another battery with two attachments. Here is a small battery for soldier or pilot. Handle also can be detached with one attachment. Handles can be detached. It's a little bit. Okay. And you can put it back. Here is a launcher. So that's all. A lot of combinations you can make with these guns. Thanks. Like, share, subscribe.